Here's a one bedroom on the ground floor of the East Village. It has a sleeping loft and it's got a downstairs. There's about 3 feet of head clearance and a decent amount of space. Queen size mattress, perhaps, as long as you don't sit up. Air conditioner up there, floating microwave, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, and miniature cabinets. Beyond the ladder is your entrance, your closet number 1, closet number 2. How do you get there? Your bathroom with laundry, and your lower level with a really large closet. If you put your bed here, what are you using your loft for? Now, here's the thing. Right down the block is another apartment, 1 bedroom for $250 more. Let's go find out why that one's more expensive. So it turns out the floors are wet in that apartment, so I wasn't able to actually get in. Instead, I walked down to the next block to see what was supposed to be a 2-bedroom. So I thought we were coming to see another 2-bedroom, but in fact, maybe you can help me out. This says on the listing that it's a converted 2-bedroom duplex. Now, here's my question. So you've got the outdoor space that clearly adds some value, but then you've got a nice living room, tall ceilings, a nice big kitchen with a really nice sized breakfast bar, island. You've got the dishwasher and the miniature wine cooler, and you've got 1 full bathroom up here with a shower. Now, downstairs, you have this space. Unfortunately, the lights are off, but this is a nice big space with a closet. I wouldn't exactly call this a bedroom, but it's cool. You have lots of exposed stuff here, and you've got a pretty cool bathroom. So this is not a full bath. This is a half bath with laundry, and this, which I kind of like. This is $1,000 more than that first apartment. So help me out here, because it's definitely not I don't even know what they called it, a converted 2-bed duplex. This is a studio with a basement, a really nice studio with outdoor space, with 1.5 baths, with a great kitchen, okay, now right across the hall is another unit. This one's more expensive than the one we just saw, a couple $100 more. This is just over $5,000. It's got a slightly larger yard. Definitely has a bigger living room because the kitchen is, well, it's a lot smaller. You have some storage up there and more up there. The laundry is in the upstairs bathroom here, so, not near the bedrooms. Dishwasher, and let's go check out what's going on downstairs. Lots of exposed brick again. Bedroom number 1. And another half bath. Bedroom number 2. This is more like a twin size bedroom. And I think I figured it out. So basically, in New York City, in order to be called a bedroom, there are minimum size requirements, minimum dimensions, and it has to have a window. Next door, the basement doesn't have a window, so they gave it a funny name, but ultimately it's a studio. The basement here, however, has 2 windows, so they were able to make 2 bedrooms.